KombiSIGN 72, next stage in the new generation of signal towers. The connections and mechanisms are self-explanatory and make it impossible to install the units incorrectly. This saves time during installation. The KombiSIGN 72 can be installed easily and securely, even in difficult positions. A signal tower must always be visible, even under difficult conditions. KombiSIGN 72 is clearly visible from all positions. The smooth surfaces of the light elements prevents contamination building up and can be cleaned easily and quickly if necessary. The light elements, twin light and twin flash, offer two different light pictures in just the one unit, reducing the cost of inventory and number of stock locations required. The signal towers on display in the control panel view allow you to see immediately disruptions in production and allow you to react quickly to downtime, optimize your processes, and increase productivity. AndonSPEED is ideal as a call-for-action monitoring system for workstations and logistics operations, while SmartMONITOR is the smart machine monitoring and data collection system for manufacturing operations.